Hey guys, welcome to Coding Simplified, and today we'll solve a new problem in binary tree where our aim is to get the total number of nodes in a binary tree. For example, this is a binary tree and the total number of nodes here are 9. So our answer should be 9. So first of all, let's see what should be our logic. So let's say if there is only one node. So if there is only one node, then this will be null and this will be null. So you can say if node equals to null, then return 0 because that is 0, else return this one node because 1 plus null and null, right? Now let's say if there are 3 nodes. So in this case, what will be our logic? We will say again 1 plus return node. This is again 1 because both left and right are null of this 7, and same here. So it will return 1 plus 1 plus 1. So if we keep on doing this recursively, that would give me answer. So you can see here that what I have done get number of nodes. Here I will pass the root node. So I will check that if node equals to null, then return 0. Else return 1 plus get number of nodes, node of left, and get number of nodes, node of right. So it will recursively call, and because if left is null, right is null, that is okay, but that node has its existence, and that is why we are returning 1. So it will solve your problem. For example, in this case, if you see this one, so this 4 will return 1 and this will return 0 because it has null. So cumulatively this will return 2 nodes, right? So that is why it will solve recursively problem. So if you see my main function, here I am passing total number of nodes and get number of nodes, and root is passing. So if you run the program, the answer will be here, total number of nodes 9. So that's it guys for this tutorial. We have seen how to calculate the total number of nodes in a binary tree. And if you have got your answer, then please like the video and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.